Millions enter schools, colleges, and universities every year, investing their time, money, and effort. But what do we want to get out of this decade long exercise?
Hi, this is Sheikh Inayatullah and I'm a certified career counselor. I try to help students understand their potential, how to develop it and utilize it for making a great career. I actually want students must understand the process of career making before they make a career out of something. Torna figure, let me explain.
Career making consists of self awareness and market awareness that gives you a direction for your career and you end up having right skills. Self awareness will include your aptitude, interest, personality, and what you are naturally capable of doing, your talent. Market awareness would include knowing about the industrial setup of the world.
And this complete awareness would help you to take the right career decision for yourself. I know it's not that easy. It does demand a great effort in understanding yourself and the world around you. This is where Move Beyond wants to help you.
Move Beyond is a career counseling school that can help you with free career counseling, psychometric testing, selection of right stream of study, selection of right institutions to study abroad guidance, guidance for scholarships, job guidance, startup mentoring, guidance in research, innovations, and patents.
We simply aim at helping you settle down in life in the most easiest and affordable manner. For any sort of career assistance, you can reach out to us on
Our free career helpline and on social media as well.
because we just want to ensure that you move beyond.